guys, Dennis here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1978 to 87 El Camino quarter panel skins by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Each quarter panel is stamped from 20 gauge steel using factory specifications for perfect fitment. Measuring 83 inches long by 33 inches tall, each quarter panel features all the correct shapes and contours and includes the proper cutouts for fuel filler door and side marker lights. At the end of the production line, we finish every panel with electrodeposit primer, also known as EDP coating. EDP coatings are used to protect against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to sand and paint your quarter panel without worrying about potential rust. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry. With decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.